Hey guys, I'm Themur from teamandroid.com, and in this video we will be unboxing the new Nokia 8.1 from HMD Global. Straight off, it is important to mention where this device actually stands. Rather than being a successor to the original Nokia 8, HMD is branding this phone to replace the 7.1 Plus. This means one thing: this isn't the top of the line Nokia smartphone as was the older Nokia 8. Rather, the new 8.1 is designed to stand right beneath Nokia's flagship lineup, which itself is soon to see an upgrade in terms of pricing as well as specs. Speaking of specs, Nokia 8.1 carries a Snapdragon 710 processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of internal storage. Further, there is a dual camera system on the back which has AI assistance built in. Inspecting the box itself, it has been designed in Nokia's unique layout where the box has greater width than depth. Now as we remove the lid, here we see the warranty card. This will vary upon region to region. This is for Pakistan. Here is the device. This is the steel copper variant, and I think this color scheme looks absolutely stunning. Nokia truly understands how to put together a premium smartphone with exceptional materials and a great design. Setting the device aside for now, let's carry on with the rest of the box contents. Here is the SIM ejection tool, and with that, this part of the box can be lifted. Beneath it is the standard literature. Further along, there is a cardboard container which carries the accessories. First, we have the travel charger. This supports fast charging and has a USB slot up top. We see the USB Type-C cable, and there are standard 3.55mm headphones because the Nokia 8.1 actually carries an headphone jack. Looking at the device itself, this copper finish really does add that extra bit of finesse. On the back, there is the Nokia logo, and beneath that it has Android One insignia as well. Further, there is a notch up top in order to reduce bezel size and increase body to display ratio. Being an Android One device, this phone comes with Android 9.0 Pie right out of the box. This has been the unboxing of Nokia 8.1. We will be testing this phone thoroughly and would soon be sharing our full review. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe for more.